Hello, this is the MskMiner channel. In this video, we will discuss how we've added the ability to flash the L7 miner without using an SD card. This is done in the same way as with other devices. After scanning the network, select the device and press Update. The program automatically flashes the device with the MSK firmware. You can also perform an upgrade if our firmware is already installed on your device. Currently, there is a promotion running until the end of the month. For those who install our firmware, the commission will be reduced to 1.8%. The firmware can be installed using our Miner Tools program, which you can find via link in the description or on our Telegram channel. The firmware includes our new standard web interface. Soon we will add new profiles and tuning. The upgrade is complete. The device is rebooting. It has updated, connected to the network, and is now available for use. Thank you for watching, and see you soon on our channel in upcoming videos. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and if you have any questions or suggestions, write to us on our Telegram technical support channel or in the comments below the video.